Another data structure within R that can store multiple data elements is the matrix. A matrix is an R object that contains data elements in a two-dimensional layout. A two-dimensional layout means that this data structure can have rows and columns. In fact, it can have multiple rows and multiple columns. In the example, we see that M is a matrix that holds numbers 1 to 9, split amongst 3 columns and 3 rows. To examine the structure of a matrix, there are specific functions that we can use. Specifically, nRow and nCol tell us the number of rows in a matrix and the number of columns in a matrix. Dim is a function that tells us the dimensions of a matrix, specifically how many rows and columns it has. Rows and columns of a matrix can be named through the use of the column names and row names functions. One needs to keep in mind that the names and the names of the rows and the names of the columns need to correspond with the number of rows and columns that are present in the matrix.